Hello and welcome. I'm Morgan from Shinelong. Today I'm glad to introduce you our 900 Lux series electric hotplate cooker with oven, a premium product in our collection. This model is built for performance and durability. It measures 800 by 900 by 850 mm with a spacious oven. It's perfect for a range of professional cooking needs. This electric cooker delivers powerful and fast heating, and the oven provides consistent and steady heat, ideal for efficient cooking. And the oven is optional. You can choose between an oven or a storage cabinet. The hot plate features German imported discs, which are smaller but highly efficient. These specialized discs deliver a quick, even heating, perfect for a busy kitchen where timing is everything. So that's all for our 900 Lux series electric hot plate cooker with oven, reliable, powerful, and built to last. If you're looking for a top quality performance, this model won't be disappointed. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about this model, welcome to contact us. We are Shinelong. We can bring your dream kitchen into reality.